let's see how we can sort the list of string based on the length of the string, and then like probably reverse it, and like the one with the bigger length comes first and the one with the smaller length comes at the end. So we already have the list of string. Let me take it, let's stream it. Let's do sorted. Here we need to use the comparator, so we'll take two operators and then we'll do so if you want to sort it in the fashion where the smaller come first, you need to do a dot length minus b dot length, and then but for each and then just do the print ln. Okay, this will print the string in the based on the length of the string, and in then ascending order. The length should so the smaller in length will come first, and bigger the length will come in the bottom. However, in order to print or sort it in the other odd way, where the bigger length comes first and the smaller comes later, what you can do, just switch the operator. Second operator comes first and the first operator comes after the second one. This way, if you change it and you try to run it, you will see the string getting sorted based on the length of the string, and the one with the bigger length is coming first and one with the smaller length is coming after that.